Hi everybody and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis, and today we'll be looking at one of our favorite coins on the channel, and that is QUANT QNT. And the price for QUANT today at the day of analysis is about 108 dollars, right? And we have a 2% uh, difference or change in the price, right? And we've been looking at QUANT right down even from the top, and we're expecting more lower prices. Right, we came down, pushed up a bit yesterday, 113, and then we are back down. So today we'll just be looking at the charts to see what can happen in the next few days, in the next few weeks, and even the next hours, right? Remember, this is not investment advice, and probably we do not take this as investment advice, right? If you like the channel, please click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, right? It's your boy. Now we are on the weekly time frame for the Quant USD chart, and this looks very messy for Quant, right? And we said every single time where we went into the EMAs, we came down even to the lowest EMA, and when we broke the EMA, we said we were very bearish, right? We came down, we touched the EMA. People said we're bullish. We said, oh no, not bullish. We're just retesting the EMAs, and we came down. All right, we came up, and this looked very bullish when we retested the EMAs and began to push up, right? But we were very overbought, and I was trying to tell you we need to cool down, right? When we came, uh, we broke the green EMA, and now we are coming, and we should test the blue EMA at around 101, right? And I'll be giving you more proofs why I believe that, right? As you can see, every single time we came above, pushed up, every time we came below, we pushed down, right? If we look at our indicators, same thing, right? Yeah, confirming our analysis. Our RSI telling us it's bearish. We still have furthermore downward price action to go, especially our stochastic, because the stochastic like follows the price action of the coin, right? And among a lot of things. And we could see that stochastic is very bearish, and so probably we should expect furthermore downward price action even for quant, right? If we go down to the 3 days, as you can see, everything as expected. We have been coming down. We are very bearish, even though we are the support now for quant. So probably let's bring up our, as you can see, same thing, we say we're at the support. So probably this could be an accumulation period for quant. We could just have some sideways movements, right? And maybe push up down to retest the EMAs, right, even at 145. So probably we could still have a retest of the EMAs. As you can see, this is a bullish divergence on the 3 days for quant. As you can see, our stochastic RSI is very oversold, so probably we might uh, just have some sideways action a bit before moving up. But that's very bullish for quant. If we come down to our daily, as we could see, we're actually at a support level, right? We're at a multi-day and multi-week support level for quant. So probably we should see quant have some sideways movement before pushing up. So this is a very good point to begin to dollar cost average into quant. For many of you that missed quant at the top, I told you do not FOMO in, right? We're still going to get very good prices, and now the time has come for you to begin to dollar cost average into quant, because the next move is going to be larger than you think, right? So this is the best point to begin to dollar cost average into quant, begin to buy quant, right? And dollar cost averaging, this is one of the best times to begin to dollar cost average. So probably, as you can see, for the stochastic on the daily, we might just move lower a bit, as you can see, probably to the 103 region, and then we should see further upward price action. So we expect just further maybe just consolidation around this place before we could have further upward price action. If we go back to this chart, uh, this chart tells us a lot about quant and what this is quant on the weekly time frame, right? Binance is data source, and for this chart, as we can see, this chart begins to tell us that our weekly close for quant matters a lot, right? Because you can see we're breaking our multi-year support. So we need to hold the support. If we do not hold the support, and then it really could get ugly for quant, as we could see ourselves back down to the 53 region. So probably we need to hold the support at the moment for quant to be bullish, but right, we're always bullish in quant, right? As you can see, money flow on the weekly is telling us probably we should still expect furthermore downside if this support does not hold. Same thing with the oscillator. The oscillator is beginning to turn downwards, which is very, 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 very bad for quant. But let's hope that this support level holds. If we move over to the 3 days time frame, as you can see, I told you same thing correlating with our analysis that probably we should see price come down even to probably the 90 region. As we can see, lots of liquidity around the 90 region even on the 3 days time frame. So probably we should see the price of quant come down a bit even to the 90 stroke 103 to 91 region before we could have further word price action. But if you look at it, quant is still bullish, right? Our EMAs are still bullish, so probably we could see further downward price action if we see money flow confirming the same thing, just some little more downward price action, right, before we begin to move up. Same thing with the oscillators. We could see a lot of sell pressure coming in, right? A lot of sell pressure coming in. So probably we could see price wick down to this area of liquidity. If we push it over to the daily, right, the daily gives us a better information, right? Bad for quant, but we could see a lot of support liquidity at the 90 to 80 region. So probably we could still see, like I said, furthermore, just sideways action for quant at the moment. As you can see, we have a lot of support at the 90 region, right down probably from the 101 down to the 80 region. Lots and lots of support for quant. So we just expect price to wick to that place and probably continue its push upward. 12 hours saying the same thing, right? We're holding our support around 101. So you see, saying the same thing that probably we should wick down on our daily. As you can see, price is oversold on the money flow, right? So we should be expecting just price to just wick down a bit to maybe the 101, 103, 90 region, and then we could see furthermore upward price action for quant, right? Same thing on the 12 hourly. As you can see, having a little bearish divergence, a lot of support at our 90 to 103 region for quant. So probably we could see price move a bit. Oscillator is already saying we could have some push up in a few days. So probably you should expect that. Like I said, this is the best time for you to begin to dollar cost average into quant. This is the best time. As you can see, we have a lot of support right at this region, so probably we could see some little sideways action before we push up. So if you like the channel, remember this is not financial advice, but if you like the channel, if you like the analysis, make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, right, share with your friends. Thank you and have a great day.